Lisa, you look like you've got something on your mind. Lisa, you look like you've got something on your mind. What is it? What is it? Dad, I have to get back at Sarah somehow. Dad, I have to get back at Sarah somehow. Do you have any idea what I can do? Do you have any idea what I can do? Let me think for a moment. Let me think for a moment. What is most important to Sarah? What is most important to Sarah? She likes to get good grades. She likes to get good grades. We have to take advantage of that. We have to take advantage of that. I have to trick her. I have to trick her. I have an idea. I have an idea. Sarah is new to the school, right? Sarah is new to the school, right? Yes, she is new to our class. Yes, she is new to our class. So she doesn't know you're taking a test on Monday. So she doesn't know you're taking a test on Monday. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. But she doesn't know the subject. But she doesn't know the subject. That is very good. That is very good. We will give her false information. We will give her false information. We lie to Sarah. We lie to Sarah. Yeah, like how she lied to you. Yeah, like how she lied to you. And how are we going to make her believe me? And how are we going to make her believe me? We won't. The information has to come from someone else. We won't. The information has to come from someone else. I know how we'll do it. I know how we'll do it. One day later. One day later. Hey Morgan, tell me, what do you think of Sarah? Hey Morgan, tell me, what do you think of Sarah? I don't really like her. I don't really like her. I don't like her either. I don't like her either. She is mean. She is mean. I have an idea how we can take revenge on her. I have an idea how we can take revenge on her. How are we going to do that? How are we going to do that? We'll fool her. We'll fool her. We say that on Monday we will take a test in history. We say that on Monday we will take a test in history. But we have a test in math on Monday. But we have a test in math on Monday. Good idea. Good idea. Look out, here she comes. Look out, here she comes. Hey Simon, have you studied for the test yet? Hey Simon, have you studied for the test yet? Yeah, I've been studying for a week. Yeah, I've been studying for a week. Yes, the test will be really hard. Yes, the test will be really hard. Do you mean the math test? Do you mean the math test? No, we don't have math on Monday. No, we don't have math on Monday. We're talking about the history test. We're talking about the history test. What? We're taking a test in history? What? We're taking a test in history? Yes, there is a lot to study. Yes, there is a lot to study. Thank you. I didn't know that at all. Thank you. I didn't know that at all. No problem. We're happy to help you, Sarah. No problem. We're happy to help you, Sarah. On Monday. On Monday. Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. I hope you studied a lot. I hope you studied a lot. Today we are taking a very important test. Today we are taking a very important test. The subject is mathematics. The subject is mathematics. What? Mathematics? What? Mathematics? But I thought we were taking a history test. But I thought we were taking a history test. Who said that? Who said that? Morgan, Simon, and Lisa. Morgan, Simon, and Lisa. Is that right, Morgan? Is that right, Morgan? No, we didn't say anything about it. No, we didn't say anything about it. Sarah, we're starting the test now. Sarah, we're starting the test now. I don't care if you haven't studied. I don't care if you haven't studied. You have 60 minutes. You have 60 minutes. 60 minutes later. 60 minutes later. What's wrong, Sarah? Why are you crying? What's wrong, Sarah? Why are you crying? I will definitely get an F on that test. I will definitely get an F on that test. Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? You shouldn't have messed with me. You shouldn't have messed with me. That's what you get. That's what you get. Revenge is sweet. Revenge is sweet. What subject does the class take a test on? A. Physics. B. Math. C. History. Leave a comment. What subject does the class take a test on? A. Physics. B. Math. C. History. Leave a comment.